So today I'll be showing you how to add dust to your image in Gimp. So let's get started. So you probably might have seen it or not, because in Zack Snyder's Justice League poster recreation video I added dust to the Justice League poster. You can see that it's moving too fast, and that's because it's a time-lapse video. Now I'm going to break it down on this tutorial on exactly how I did that. So to get started, we're going to create a new layer. Go to paintbrush tool, and now go to the foreground color and select this color over here, which is the environment color. And now make sure you have your brush on hardness 100, and for this size value I'm gonna use 300. Now what we're going to do is go to mode, go to dissolve, send the opacity to a value of 23.2, and now just draw it, like adding a mask over our image here. Like that. Now I'm going to minimize the opacity to, I think 11.9 looks okay to me. Now we're going to create a new layer, drag it below, and now merge it down. Why we did that is now we're going to go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. If we did that on the mask layer, then it wouldn't have worked because the mode will be dissolved and the opacity is like to value. So we're gonna go to blur and Gaussian blur. Now slowly do this. You can see it's starting to appear. 11.43 is the value. Click OK. Now I'm gonna set the mode to hard light. You can see the dust has settled. Now you can't really see if you go on this side on the hills here. If you go on the side here, but if you go to the sky, you can see there's dust. So that will do it for this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.